Ever had someone tell you they texted you, but nothing ever shows up on your Galaxy S26? It can be confusing, especially when you're still able to send text messages without any trouble. The good news is that this is usually caused by a simple setting, your network connection, or the Messages app itself. Let's go through the fixes one at a time. Let's begin by checking your blocked numbers. Sometimes a contact can accidentally end up on your blocked list, which prevents you from receiving their text messages. So open the Messages app, then tap the menu icon, tap Settings, then open Blocked Numbers and Spam. Select Blocked Numbers and look through the list. If you find the number you're expecting messages from, tap the Remove icon next to it. Once you've done that, ask the person to send you another text and see if it comes through. If everything looks good there, let's refresh your phone. Temporary software glitches can sometimes interfere with incoming messages. To restart your Galaxy S26, press and hold the power button, then tap Restart and confirm it. Now, wait for the phone to boot back up and give it a minute to reconnect to your mobile network. After that, ask someone to send you a text message again. Still not receiving texts? Let's make sure the network signal isn't the problem. Text messages rely on your carrier's network, so if your signal is weak or unstable, incoming SMS may be delayed or fail to arrive. Look at the signal bars at the top of the screen, then make sure you have a stable mobile connection. If the signal is weak, move to another location and wait for it to improve. You can also turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it back off to force your phone to reconnect to the nearest cell tower. Once your signal returns, you can send a text from another phone to your number. If the problem continues, then you have to clear the Messages app cache. Over time, temporary files can become corrupted and cause the app to behave unexpectedly. To do this, open the app drawer and find Messages. Tap and hold Messages, then select the little App Info icon. Scroll down a bit and tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Now open the Messages app again and check if new messages start coming in. If you're still not receiving text messages, let's reset your mobile network settings. This refreshes your cellular network configuration and can resolve deeper connection issues that affect SMS. Go back to Settings, then tap General Management. Tap Reset, then select Reset Mobile Network Settings. Read the information on the screen, then confirm the reset. Once the reset is complete, let your phone reconnect to your carrier, then test if you can now receive text messages. If you've worked through every step and your Galaxy S26 still can't receive text messages, it's time to contact your mobile carrier. They can check whether there's an issue with your account, your SIM card, or a network problem that's preventing incoming SMS from reaching your phone. That's it for this guide. Hopefully one of these fixes got your Galaxy S26 receiving text messages again. If it did, feel free to check out the other Galaxy S26 troubleshooting videos here on the channel. Thanks for watching.